I made up this example on price change. Now, before I did it, remember that you're not seeing a lot of formulas. I'm not presenting any formulas as such when it comes to consumer arithmetic, because you don't really need, and probably I would say it's not recommended that you try to remember any formulas for this topic. It's a matter of reasoning out this particular situation. And we have the compound interest formula and the simple interest formula, but you don't really need them at this stage. Alright, now what I want you to do is reason out this particular question and do it. It says on December 21, the managers of a store increased the price of all goods by 10%. Probably they tried to make more money, anticipating a rush, the Christmas rush, right? And people buying up a lot of things. So that happens on December 21. They increase the price of all goods by 10%. On December 27, that's after the Christmas rush, they reduce the price of all of those goods by 10%. Alright, just to clarify, they increase the price by 10% and they reach a new price. Then they look at that price and reduce it by 10%. Now, if a share had cost $3,500 before December 21, that's before the increase, what was the price on December 27 after the increase? Alright, so they increase the price by 10%. You have a new price. Then they reduce that new price back by 10%. Now, I want you to pause the video and do it. But first of all, let me tell you that the cost of the chair will not go back to $3,500. Even though they increase it by 10, then take 10% off, it's not going to go up from 3.5 and then come back to 3.5. Alright? So don't make that mistake. What I want you to do is work it out. Pause the video and work it out, and let me see what you do. So go ahead. Alright, so let's see what happens now. You have 3,500 December 3rd 21, right? Before the increase, before the price went up, what you had was $3,500 for the chair. Now, after the reduction, what do you have? Alright, it was $3,500. After the increase, what happened? What was the new price? You have 3,500 plus the increase in price. The additional amount of money that the customer will have to spend is 10%. 10% of what? It's 10% off what it had cost before. So it's 10 per means out of, cent means 100, off means multiply 3,500. So you're looking at 3,500 plus 350. 3,500 plus 350. What is that? 3,500 plus 350. 0 and 0, 0, 5 and 0, 5, 5 and 3, 8, 3 and 0, 3. it now costs $3,850. Now it's not going to drop back down to 3.5 because what we're going to take off is the same 10%, but 10% off a bigger money. So after the reduction, what happened? It cost $3,850 minus, because the price is dropping, you're taking off something. You're taking off, the managers are taking off 10% off $3,850. So it is $3,850 minus 10% of $3,850 is $385. Right? Let's work it out somewhere over here. So what we have is $38.50 minus 385. So 5 from 0 can borrow 1 from 5, leave 4, 10. Remember, it's not really a matter of borrow, but you should review my earlier video on subtracting large numbers. But let's just go at it. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 8, you can't borrow 1 from 8. You have 7, 14 here. 8 minus 14, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, that is 6. So you will have 6 here. 7 minus 3 is 4. And 3 minus 0 is 3. So the final cost is, let me write it down here, $3,465. You see that the final cost is less because you're taking off a bigger money, because what you're taking off is 10% off a bigger money. Before, you added on 10% off small money, $3,500. Later on, you take off 10% off a bigger money, $38.50. So you take off more than what you had put on in the first place. So since you take off more, you get a lower price, $3,465. all right. So any questions, comments, complaints, confusion, whatever it is, just put it in the comment section and I'll respond to it. I'll see you in the next video.